This is a quick video update on the sound from the Africa Twin. I pulled this cover off and there's small metal shavings inside. And when you spin the tire, I noticed the inside of this chain, the rubber bushings are supposed to be tight, and anyway, it's metal on metal and it's creating these little metal shavings, I believe. So I'm going to replace the chain and sprocket because it's past its indicators kind of stretched out. I'll replace chain and sprocket, put it back together, and hopefully that'll fix it. If it's a Honda, it should be all right.